Hey brother, take a look. What is this thing? Such a big octopus. I guess it must be around 10 or 8 jin. Brother, it should be because of the typhoon these days. Let me smell if it's spoiled. It's okay. Let's take it back and grill it. I'll take it back right away. Hey, brothers, this octopus is just too big. We can't finish it all. And it won't be fresh by tomorrow. Let's handle it first. To avoid waste, I decided to roast it in advance. I'll handle the remaining head and later use it for bait. Let's wrap this prepared octopus meat with this straw mat. We will reuse the straw. Tie it tightly to avoid losing it later. Now our bait for the nest is ready. We'll throw it in when we're about to eat. Brothers, Zhang Weizu and I have reconciled, and we're starting now. Later we'll hold on to it to eat, and in a bit we'll take the octopus head to the pot. Sounds of fighting and footsteps. Now handle him right away. We don't need to flee in this situation. Find another rock to weigh down the bait to prevent it from being washed away. Brothers, the water is pretty good today. Let's go diving first, and we'll bring back some later. Brothers, today's catch is not bad. We got an octopus and a filefish, and this shrimp is still alive. Let's go. We'll take these back. Brothers, our fire is ready now. Let's grill all this seafood. Here's also a huey-tail fish. Xiaoli will need to clean it up later and dry it into fish jerky. Our seafood is ready now. Look, now we're both hungry and cold. Hey, let's have a mantis shrimp. After finishing the meat, quickly dry the clothes. He also ate some meat. This is super fresh. Hey, it might rain yesterday.